How to customize charts in Metatrader. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you how you can also customize the charts according to your likings in Metatrader. Firstly, let me get rid of the indicators that are on this chart. To remove any indicator, simply right click on it and click delete. Now to customize this chart, simply right click on the chart and then head over to properties. From here you can manage all the properties and colors of your chart. You can change the background. If you want a dark background, simply click on the black option. You can also add in the grid if you want. Now the bar of candle means the outer area of the candle. In this black chart, if you want, you can add in a white bar up and bar down candle. But black would be also suitable. Bull candle is the candle which goes up and bear candle is candle which goes down. You can also select this according to your likings. You can also change the ask line color, which is the ask price of any instrument. You can change it to any color that you like. Now after you've managed all these settings, you can click on OK. And the chart will be changed according to the settings that you've made.